Alright, so this is going to be our culprit. Always check that heat exchanger first on one of these. Is that bad? No. No, it's not. Got a spaceship, cuz. What's going on here, man? Alright. When everything checks out, man, you just got to kind of start touching shit. Something's not pinned right in that board. Blower motor. Alright, so we know the board's bad. This looks pretty rusty here. I'm just going to get a thorough inspection of that heat exchanger from the side. Let me roll it over to the side, baby. Well, all these rust spots are nice and firm still. Usual spots, they crack and are not cracked. I'm going to have to give this a heat exchanger a pass. We're gonna reset it, get a new control board, and go.